Hi students, welcome to your channel MRNS Educational and Social Service. Dear students, today we discuss very important concept, that is some point lies between the lines or point inside the triangle. Show that adagachu. In IIT point of view, mains point of view, this is very important question. Point lo unknowns ichi unknown value kanukomanchu. Dear students, let us see one example. Very important model. See, if the point A comma A is placed in between the lines mod x plus y equal to 4, then that means options are like this: A equal to 2, second option mod A greater than 2, third option mod A less than 2, like this. Fourth one is none. Very important students, listen here carefully. Point A comma is placed in between the lines is given. From these lines, we write it as x plus y equal to plus or minus 4. Dear students, these two lines are parallel lines. One line is x plus y equal to 4. Another line is x plus y equal to minus 4. Line 1, line 2. Please remember that if you want to draw the rough diagram, you should convert line into the intercept form. Here x by 4 plus y by 4 equal to 1, intercept of the first line. X by minus 4 plus y by minus 4 equal to 1. In intercept form, RHS of the equation must be in 1. If any constant in LHS, bring that to RHS and divide whole equation into RHS with RHS constant. So this is the line with x-intercept 4, y-intercept 4. This is another line with x-intercept minus 4, y-intercept minus 4. This A comma A placed in between these two lines. Then you want value of A. Dear students, please remember this point very carefully. Every point lies on some curve. Please remember that. Some curve. That curve may be straight line, circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Why? Because what is locus? Locus is the set of points which are satisfying well-defined condition or geometrical property. It is a point means it lies on some curve. Locus of this point is called a locus of this point is nothing but curve. Curve is nothing but locus. Locus means set of points which are satisfying well-defined condition or geometrical property. See students, point A comma A lies on, please see here, A comma A. In this point, it is called x coordinate, it is called y coordinate. X coordinate, y coordinate equal, that means it lies on y equal to x. Because x coordinate, y coordinate both are equal. That means, my dear students, these two lines are parallel. Rough diagram is like this. This point is 4, 0 because x-intercept 4, y-intercept 4. This point is minus 4, 0. This point is 0, minus 4. It is the curve 1. That means line 1. It is line 2. Our question is, if the point A comma A is placed between the lines. Between the lines means this is the portion between the lines. This point may be lies here. Not like that. This point lies on some curve, that is curve is y equal to x. y equal to x is a line like this. So my dear students, this point P lies on some curve, not anywhere in between these two lines. Please remember that point. It is very, very important point. A comma A does not lie here, here. It lies on a line y equal to x only. He given that point A comma A lies between these two lines, means that point lies in between A to B and along this line. Please remember, A comma A line మీద ఉంటుంది. In between these two points means in between A and B, that point moves in between the lines. So here x coordinate A, y coordinate A, it moves from A to B. That means you find out point A and point B. Point A is intersection point of this line and this line. Say this line has 3. For A, solve 1 and 3 lines. 1 and 3. Dear students, 1 is x plus y equal to 4. Here y equal to x. Substitute y place in x. Substitute in place of y as x. X plus x 2x. 2x equal to 4. X equal to 2. Since y equal to 2, therefore point A equal to 2 comma 2. For B, solve 2 and 3. B is the intersection point of this line and this line. We call this line as 2. This line is 3. Dear students, in 3 line 3 y equal to x. Substitute y equal to x in 2. X plus x 2x. 2x equal to minus 4. X equal to minus 2. Therefore point B equal to minus 2 comma minus 2, because here y equal to x. x2 అయితే ఇక్కడ రాస్తే y2 అవుతుంది. x minus 2 అయితే y value minus 2. So my dear friends, here range of A, our point P A comma A moves along this line in between A and B. In between A and B. P A comma A means this x coordinate A moves in between these 2 points, means A takes the values between the x coordinates of B and x coordinates of A. Here x coordinate small value is minus 2, big value is 2. Since P lies on line y equal to x and moves between A and B, so A takes the values between these two x coordinates, because in A we have x coordinates place. Similarly, we may take y coordinate also. So minus 2 less than A less than 2 is the answer. We can write this value in simplest form, mod A less than 2. Mod A less than 2. So third option is the correct. Understand, students? Now here A comma A lies on y equal to x. Now tell me, students, I will give one point. A comma A plus 1 lies on what curve? Here x is A, y is A plus 1, it lies on y equal to x plus 1. When you take x plus A, it becomes A plus 1. That means this value. For example, if you take point A comma A square, where it lies? On what curve? X is A, y equal to A square, x square is there, y equal to x square. So please understand, every point lies on some curve. For example, you take A plus 1 comma A. Y is A, x is A plus 1. That means you take like this, x equal to y plus 1. See here, y is A, x is A plus 1. So take x equal to y plus 1. Like this, if point is not like this, if any point given in this form, we examine the point, we think about that point, definitely it lies on some curve. Okay, now students, we will see another example. See this example. If the point P, a square comma a, lies in the region corresponding to the acute angle between the lines 2y equal to x, 2y equal to x, 4y equal to x, then students, here given lines 2y equal to x means y equal to x by 2. It is the first line. 4y equal to x means y equal to x by 4. It is the second line. See, point P, a square comma a, already I told you, a square comma a, x value a square 1, y is a. That means we take like this, x equal to y square. What is that? X equal to y square. That is the line. So when you substitute y value a, it becomes x equal to a square. It is the line curve 3. My dear students, x equal to y square means y square equal to x. It is a parabola. It is a parabola. It is very, very important. So y equal to x by 2, y equal to x by 4. Those two lines are passing through origin, students, because no constant, it is of the form y equal to mx, y equal to mx. Y equal to x by 2, y equal to x by 4. So y equal to x by 4 like this, y equal to x by 2 like this. It is the y equal to x by 2 line. It is the y equal to x by 4 line. Rough sketch of this y square equal to x graph is like this. Approximately you take like this, students, for a rough graph. You take acute angle. So that graph is like this. X square equal to x graph is like this, students. Like this, vertex origin. It is the line 1, it is the line 2, it is the 3. My dear students, the point P, a square comma a, lies in the region corresponding to the acute angle. Acute angle between these two lines, point P moves. See, it does not move this place, this place, this place, this place, this place, this place, because I told you every point have locus. That means this point moves on this curve. This curve shape is like this. It moves from this point to this point. Let it be this point as A, this point as B. That point moves along this curve between these two lines because it is acute angle, other value becomes obtuse angle. For A, solve this line and curve. For A, solve 1 and 3. So here y equal to x by 2. Substitute y value here. X equal to, y value is x by 2. X square by 4. Cross multiply. 4x, take that side. Take x common. From this, x equal to 0, x equal to 4. From 1, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, 1 intersection point 0, 0. X equal to 4, y equal to 2, 4 by 2. Intersection point is 4, 2. That means this line and this curve intersect origin and this point A. It is the origin, students. It is the origin. This point is origin. It is the point A. Similarly, for B, Solve 2 and 3. 2 is y equal to x by 4. Substitute y value in 3. X equal to x square by 16. 1 x getting cancelled. X equal to 16. Y equal to 16 by 4 means y is 4. Therefore, point B equal to xy రాయాలి 16 4. Dear students, if the point P a square comma a lies between the region acute angle, then means answers are a belongs to a lies between, like that we have. Point is P a square comma a is there. A is in place of y coordinates. From A to B, y coordinates are 2 to 4. Y coordinates are 2 to 4. Therefore, P lies on curve y square equal to x and it moves from A to B. So, A belongs to y value least is 2, maximum is 4, 2 comma 4. Option may be like this or 2 less than a less than 4. Very important, students. Now students, this one is very important. If the point 0 comma beta lies on or inside the triangle having sides. Dear students, triangle have 3 sides. Given these 3. In this triangle, point is inside. My dear students, I told you, triangle ananga ekkada pedithe akkada point undadu. Definitely that point follows some condition. First you write down each line into the intercept form. That is very important. Intercept form. Why you write intercept form? To draw the rough sketch of triangle formed by these 3 lines. See, from this, to convert this into the intercept form, bring constant to that side. Write down order, line order, that is first x term and then y term. See, 3x plus y equal to minus 2. Divided with the minus 2, minus 2, x by minus 2 by 3. Here x coefficient should be 1 in numerator to convert it into intercept form, plus y by minus 2 equal to 1. This is the first line intercept form. X intercept minus 2 by 3, y intercept minus 2. Similarly, minus 2x plus 3y equal to 5. X by minus 5 by 2, y by 5 by 3 equal to 1. It is the equation 2. Now students, x plus 4y equal to 14, x by 14, y by 14, 2 times getting cancelled, 7 by 2 equal to 1. So here we have x coordinate, y coordinate of given 3 lines. Now take rough sketch. Before that, point 0 comma beta lies on. My dear students, in this point, x coordinate is fixed. X coordinate is fixed. That is 0. 0 comma beta. On y axis, x coordinate is 0. That means this point lies on y axis. Its equation is x equal to 0. This is the 4th line. Now let us draw a rough diagram of the triangle. Here x intercept minus 2 by 3, y intercept minus 2. Take rough diagram. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this and so on. -1, -2, -3, -4. -2 by 3 means -0.6 somewhere here. Y-intercept -2. -2 is this side. Y-intercept -2. So position of the line roughly like this. It is the line 1. Extend చేసుకోవచ్చు లైన్ అంటే. Here x-intercept -5/2 means -2.5 nearly somewhere here. Y-intercept 5/3 means 1.3. 1.3 somewhere here. It is, please remember this point. This point is 5/3. This is the line. Next, x coordinate is 14, y coordinate is 7/2. 7/2 is 3.5. It is 3.5 students, that is 7/2. 14 somewhere here, like this, here somewhere 14. Position of third line like this. My dear students, this point is 0, 5/3. This point is 0, 7/2. What he given in the data? If the point 0, beta lies on or inside the triangle. I told you 0, beta lies on y-axis. That means this side, on this line. So point moves on this line given inside. Inside means it lies between A and B students. It lies between A and B. Moves and lies on y-axis and it moves from A, how much? 0, 5/3 to B, 0, 7/2. So here beta is in place of y coordinate. Here y coordinate points are 7/2, 5/3. Which one is big? Which one is less? 5/3 is less. So 5/3 less than beta less than 7/2. Beta position is y place, y coordinate. Here y coordinates are 5/3, 7/2. 5/3 is the least, 7/2 is the highest. So 5/3 less than beta less than 7/2. We may write it as beta belongs to 5/3, 7/2. This is very, very important. Like this students, if you take point like this, -2, alpha, it lies on x equal to -2 line, this point. If you take alpha, 1, here fixed value 1, it lies on y equal to 1 line. So definitely students, one point lies on some curve. It may be straight line or parabola, ellipse, circle, like that. So like this students, do it. It is very, very important model. It may ask in mains, advanced exams. Okay, bye students. నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ని కూడా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోమని చెప్పండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. జై హింద్.